Alright guys, welcome. Let me show you how to launch a business in your spare time. This video will be short and fast paced, so if you have a few minutes, stick with me. If not, save it to your watch later folder. So first, let's talk about what is obvious. Obviously, if you want to make money, you have to start a business, not work for someone else, right? The fastest way and the easiest way is to start a business online because it's low startup costs and we can reach millions of people from our living room with a laptop or phone. And let's talk about what is not so obvious. What's the best business model for beginners who want to start earning money on the side? Now we have to talk about three common options, the pros and cons of each, the investment requirements, and ease of implementation, and odds of success, how to avoid risk. And so you can decide which option is right for you, right? Now, the first business model is e-commerce. It means you sell physical products, and first you have to source the products, you have to stock the products, for which you need to create a website using Shopify or Amazon, market and sell, and then ship the products. Now, this is very complicated, complex business. It works, but if you are a beginner, it will be really hard and it will take a lot of time and work. Now, business number two, which is coaching and creating courses. So there are also 4 steps in this business. You have to create a coaching program or course. You have to host a course or membership program. And of course, you have to market and sell it. And when you have to fulfill it, which means you have to work with your clients and you have to deal with customer service, customer issues, and so on. In the end, all of those things takes time. It takes a lot of time. But the real problem here is that the more customers you get, the more time you will have to give to them, thus leaving yourself with no spare time for yourself. You reach a point where you don't have time for marketing. And the bottom line is that now you have 2 jobs, right? So let's move to business model 3, which is affiliate marketing. And basically, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, we promote other people's products. So what this means, you as affiliate marketer, you have to do is market the products. And in most cases, you can just do it on your phone once you get your initial system set up. You can do it on the go. You can do it if you have spare minutes at lunch. You're really flexible at this point. And a cool thing is that your affiliate partner handles other stuff. They fulfill the orders, they take payments, create and maintain products, and handles customer service. But when you refer a sale, they pay you a commission. Now, the reason that is the key when you want to start a business in your spare time, because that leaves you all your spare time to marketing the products. That's why affiliate marketing is so powerful and best business model to start in your spare time. Now, basically, if it's so easy, why isn't everyone so successful? You would ask. And basically, there are 2 reasons. Number 1 is people don't take action. They will see something like this. It all makes sense to them. They'll think, gosh, I never thought about that. That's exactly what I gotta do. And they will go on with their day and won't take any action and forget about this thing and won't follow through. The other reason is they do affiliate marketing wrong. There's one thing that makes all the difference in the world. It takes affiliate marketing from being really difficult to relatively easy. And that's what I want to share with you right now. Somewhere around this video, you will find a link that will show you another presentation. It will take a couple of minutes of your time, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, what makes affiliate marketing easy. At that time, you will be able to decide if high-ticket affiliate marketing is the right opportunity for you. And maybe it was fate that you saw this video, maybe not, but I wish all the success for you, like really. And if you join me, I will follow up with more training for you. And yeah, high ticket affiliate marketing business made me actually earn money, not lose money like dropshipping. So it really works. So go on, check it out and take care.